PLS flight mission.
PLS copies.
Please disable anti-geysering and confirm.
All stage anti-geysering is disabled.
Copy that. Stage 1 flight on mission.
Flight stage 1.
Please confirm stage 1 is pressed.
Stage 1 is pressed.
High flying engine purge.
Stage 2 flight mission.
Flight stage 2.
Please confirm stage 2 is pressed.
Stage 2 is pressed. Commanding deluge on.
Galley's running.
Readying GNC systems. Re-readying engines.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
Ignition.
1.
Lift off. Vehicles clear the pad.
'And we have liftoff of the Make It Rain mission on Electron. Shortly, the vehicle will come up against max Q, or maximum aerodynamic pressure, where the forces against Electron will hit their peak. So let's listen in for that call.
IP tracking downrange.
Coming up on maximum dynamic pressure. One minute, stage 1 remaining.
Stage 1 propulsion remains nominal.
Shortly, Electron will go through a series of major milestones in quick succession. Starting with main engine cutoff, or MECO, the 9 Rutherford engines on Electron's first stage will shut down in preparation for our first of 2 separations. Following the separation of Electron's first and second stages, we'll see ignition of the vacuum-optimized Rutherford engine on Electron's second stage. Electron's second stage, carrying the kick stage and its payloads, will then continue onto an elliptical orbit.
Power pack CO2 succeeded. 15 seconds remaining. Entering stage 1 burnout detect mode.
Stage 1 MECO.
Stage separation succeeded.
Stage 1 MECO.
Guidance is nominal.
As you just saw and probably heard from the applause, we have had main engine cutoff. Electron's first and second stages have successfully separated from each other, and the Rutherford engine on Electron's second stage has ignited. And there goes the fairing. The fairing protects the payloads on the way to orbit, but once we're out of the thicker parts of the atmosphere, we don't really need it anymore. It's just been successfully jettisoned to make way for payload deployment approximately 51 minutes from now. So we've got a couple minutes until our next milestone coming up, but our trajectory is looking nominal and Electron is tracking for a successful flight.
Trajectory remains nominal.
Stage 2 propulsion remains nominal.
Just checking in with you guys again. Everything is looking good from mission control, and we've got another 90 seconds before the battery hot swap. So we're now at T plus 5 minutes and 45 seconds after liftoff, and like I said earlier, the next major milestone coming up is the hot swap of the batteries. If you've watched our launches in the past, you'll be familiar with this process, but if you're just joining us, I'll give you a quick rundown. The Rutherford engines replace traditional gas turbo pumps with electric ones powered by batteries. Once these batteries have depleted of energy, they're really just dead weight. So to solve this problem, we perform a hot swap where we transfer power over from the depleted batteries to another fully charged one, and this provides a much more efficient ride to orbit. So our team will make this call soon, so we'll listen in.
Coming up on HV battery hot swap. HV battery eject succeeded.
And stage 2 propulsion
So as you just heard, we've had successful hot swap of the depleted batteries. Stage 2 propulsion is nominal, and our trajectory continues to look good.
is 100 seconds remaining. One minute remaining.
Entering stage 2 burnout detect mode.
All right, a quick recap of the Make It Rain mission so far. So we've made our way through a successful ignition and liftoff, stage 1 burn and separation from stage 2, fairing jettison, and now the battery hot swap. So right now we're waiting for the second stage as we get closer to the engine shutdown ahead of the kick stage separation. So back to mission control audio for the next mission milestones.
"20 seconds remaining.
Stage 2 engine cutoff.
Transfer orbit is nominal.
Interstage separating.
As you just heard there, we've got confirmation that the kick stage has separated from Electron in the lead up to payload deployment. In around 45 minutes time, Maker Rain's payloads will be deployed individually from the kick stage at predetermined intervals. So for confirmation of this payload deployment, and of course to watch videos from liftoff, stay tuned to Rocket Lab's social media channels. Now with 3 flights under our belt for 2019, it continues to be a busy year for us. We've got frequent launches scheduled, the Photon program is cycling up, and construction on Launch Complex 2 is in full swing. This growth means there are some awesome career opportunities here at Rocket Lab. As part of our team, you'll work on technology and missions that are launching right now, not in years to come. We've got roles in Auckland and Mahia in New Zealand, as well as positions at our headquarters in Huntington Beach and also at Launch Complex 2 in Virginia. There are opportunities across the company, from our composites team, which manufactures Electron's carbon composite structure, right through to our mission management team, who work with our customers to streamline every step of the way to orbit. We're also looking for software engineers, avionics techs, and vehicle test engineers. At Rocket Lab, every voice counts, every idea can be explored, and then everyone contributes directly to our success. So make sure you check out some of the open positions on the Rocket Lab website. So just before we end the webcast, we have to give a shout out to one of our biggest fans, budding rocket engineer Elliot Weritz. Stick with your dreams, keep building rockets, and we'll keep a seat ready for you in mission control. So with that, we'll be ending today's webcast of Rocket Lab's Make It Rain mission. A special thank you to our mission partners for choosing to launch on Electron. So from all of us here at Rocket Lab, thank you for joining us for our 7th Electron launch, and we'll see you guys here next time. This is Rocket Lab Mission Control, signing off.